Welcome to Business Training Media's Professional Development Series. Have you ever wondered how to unlock incredible career opportunities in the rapidly expanding world of cloud computing? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to discuss Google Cloud certifications, best free training paths. The cloud computing landscape is not just growing, it's exploding, creating a massive demand for skilled professionals. Over 1 million individuals have already recognized this incredible opportunity and enrolled in these highly sought-after Google Cloud certification courses. These certifications aren't just pieces of paper, they are powerful credentials that can open doors to high-paying jobs, significantly increase your earning potential, and position you at the forefront of technological innovation. Imagine yourself confidently managing cloud infrastructure, developing cutting-edge applications, or architecting scalable solutions for global businesses. Before we dive into the specific training paths, it's important to understand how these incredible opportunities work. These courses offer free enrollment, allowing you to access all the valuable learning materials, videos, and practice exercises without any upfront cost. While the learning content is completely free, obtaining the official professional certificate to showcase on your resume or LinkedIn profile may require payment or qualifying for financial aid. This means you can learn the skills, build your knowledge, and decide later if the official credential is right for you. It's an amazing way to explore and gain expertise without financial commitment. Let's dive in. Our first stop on this journey is Google Cloud Fundamentals, Core Infrastructure. This course is your perfect starting point if you're new to cloud computing. It introduces you to the core Google Cloud products and services, covering essential concepts like computing, storage, networking, and big data. It's designed to give you a solid foundation, preparing you for more advanced topics and roles. Up next, for those looking to get hands-on, we have Preparing for Google Cloud Certification, Cloud Engineer Professional Certificate. This comprehensive program is tailored to equip you with the skills needed to deploy, monitor, and maintain projects on Google Cloud. You'll learn how to manage cloud resources, implement security, and ensure the operational efficiency of cloud solutions. This certificate is a direct pathway to becoming a certified Google Cloud engineer. Moving on. If you have a passion for building and deploying applications, consider preparing for Google Cloud Certification, Cloud Developer Professional Certificate. This path focuses on teaching you how to design, build, and deploy cloud-native applications using Google Cloud technologies. You'll gain expertise in serverless computing, APIs, and microservices, essential for modern software development. For those aspiring to leadership in digital transformation, the Google Cloud Digital Leader Training Professional Certificate is an excellent choice. This training focuses on the foundational knowledge of Google Cloud products and services, but from a business perspective. It helps you understand how cloud technology drives innovation and solves business challenges, making you a valuable asset in any organization. The world of artificial intelligence is booming, and Google Cloud is at its forefront. The Preparing for Google Cloud Certification, Machine Learning, Engineer Professional Certificate is designed for individuals who want to build, train, and deploy machine learning models on Google Cloud. You'll learn about MLOps, data pipelines, and advanced machine learning techniques, setting you up for a high-demand career. If you envision yourself as an architect of robust cloud solutions, then Preparing for Google Cloud Certification, Cloud Architect Professional Certificate is your destination. This program teaches you how to design, develop, and manage robust, scalable, and dynamic solutions to drive business objectives on Google Cloud. It's one of the most highly regarded certifications for senior cloud roles. Data is the new oil, and managing it effectively in the cloud is critical. The Google Cloud Database Engineer specialization focuses on designing, implementing, and managing Google Cloud Database solutions. You'll gain expertise in various database services, ensuring data integrity, scalability, and performance for cloud-native applications. And finally, for a foundational dive into the world of AI within Google Cloud, check out Introduction to AI and Machine Learning on Google Cloud. This course provides an accessible entry point into artificial intelligence and machine learning concepts, specifically within the Google Cloud ecosystem. It's perfect for understanding the basics before specializing further. As you can see, Google Cloud offers incredible free training paths to highly valuable certifications that can truly transform your career. These programs provide the skills, knowledge, and credentials to help you open new doors, increase your earning potential, and become an indispensable part of the cloud revolution. If you're ready to supercharge your cloud computing skills and embark on an exciting career path, we've provided links to all of the courses we've covered in today's video. You can find all the links in the description below to start your journey today. Don't miss out on these incredible free opportunities to build a future in cloud technology. Visit us online at businesstrainingmedia.com, where you'll find a wide selection of online courses on cloud computing and other professional development topics, as well as free articles, video guides, career resources, and much more. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone looking to boost their career in cloud computing. We wish you the best of luck on your learning journey.